Hey bee fans, so I'm now experimenting, or have been experimenting for a while, but I make a long-term bee lure. So instead of spraying the hive every week through summer and swarm season, I'm now making this block that you can then just drop into the bottom of the hive. So what you do is you take the roof off, and like this little guy, you just drop it in and put the roof back on, or you can use it in swarm lure boxes, or you can use it on the swarm sticks. So instead of spraying the lure every week, you pop one of these in, and it should last 2 seasons, I would have thought. And basically what it is, it's a waxed brown paper covering a waxed cotton toweling, and on the inside of that is the lure, and the lure then will just seep through this lot over the, I would imagine, 2 seasons. I recommend you use gloves, gardening gloves or something, not disposables, just gardening gloves, because they are quite smelly, these things, when they come out the packet. Or you can just tip it straight out the packet into the bottom of the hive. Just make sure it's not covering the entrance holes, and then please recycle the plastic bag. Where it can be left inside the hive even after the bees move in, or it can be taken out and chucked away, another one put in, or it can just be composted, I would imagine. Yeah, if you like what I do, please do consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing, and telling all your buddies about the wonders of EcoHive. Thanks guys.